Hi guys, I'm back. Everyone always asks me, when I back up my money in the liquid vault, does that mean that the money is stuck and I can't use it? The answer is simple, no. The liquid vault is a safe that also functions like a wallet, meaning that it protects your assets while also enabling you to send and receive transactions. When I set up my backup, it doesn't matter how much money I had when I did it. The backup covers the liquid vault rather than the specific holdings inside of it. The advantage of this is that I can interact with dApps and everything else that goes into the vault, so it's all backed up. So, how do I interact with dApps? With Dapp Connect. Dapp Connect is what allows the liquid vault to connect to the DeFi ecosystem. Now, let me show you exactly how you use external dApps with the liquid vault. To begin, I click on Dapp Connect. I'll show you exactly how to connect the liquid vault to any DeFi platform. For example, Uniswap. I click on the wallet that's connected right now, and then I click Change. Next, I click on Wallet Connect and copy to clipboard. I return to the liquid vault and paste it here, and woohoo! Uniswap is connected to the liquid vault. Now, I'll return to Uniswap to show you how to make a transaction. I pick which coin I want in my liquid vault, and I chose Engine, and then I click Swap. I go back to the liquid vault to confirm this transaction. Now, let's go to my assets to see the new coin. Hi Engine, welcome to my vault. How about we show you another example with a different platform? Let's go with OpenC. Like I said before, you can connect your liquid vault to any available DeFi platform that has Wallet Connect. Let's move over to OpenC. We'll go to My Wallet, Wallet Connect, copy to clipboard, and return to your liquid vault where you will paste it here and woohoo! Number 2. We have OpenC. Now I'll show you how to purchase an NFT. Here's one that I've already chosen. And after I purchase it, I'm going to confirm the transaction within the dApp and MetaMask. And after that has been processed, we'll go check out our assets to see our newly purchased NFT. And that is literally it. So simple, and all of this is done while your assets are backed up. Safe and sound, just the way we like it.